Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the scene ready. Make sure your model has realistic scale and clean UVs, because lights behave differently with incorrect scale. Once done, enable an H-dry or the physical sky to establish ambient illumination. This gives you a reliable starting exposure. Make sure to isolate the object in the scene graph so you can preview changes quickly and adjust material roughness now, because that controls highlights and specular response when you add your key lights. Now add lights. Create a rectangle or area light as your key source, position it to define form, and set intensity using candela or relative %, because numeric control prevents guesswork. Then add a softer fill light on the opposite side to lift shadows without flattening. Place a rim or edge light behind the object to separate it from the background. Also, try mesh lights or load IES profiles for realistic fixture behavior, and watch the interactive render to refine size and finish by balancing camera exposure and light intensities so your render reads correctly. Change ISO or EV compensation, because that affects all lights at once. Once balanced, use light linking or separate render layers to fine-tune how each light affects specific objects. This speeds iteration. Then render a high sample pass and enable the denoiser if needed. If you see blotchy noise, increase light and render samples, and check for overly bright lights. Extreme intensities often cause fireflies, so reduce or temper those values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.